Controller replacement. Let me show you how to replace the controller of this electric wheelchair. First, loosen the nuts that secure the controller. Remove the old controller and set it aside temporarily. Cut the cable ties that hold the wires in place. Peel off the wrapping tape around the connections. Disconnect the wire ports. Repeat the same steps to disconnect the wire ports on the other side. After doing this, you can fully take the old controller off. Install the new controller. Get a new controller ready. Mount it under the armrest. Making sure to route the controller's wires over the crossbeam. Next, connect the wire ports. Attach the short wire to the red port. And the long wire to the left port. We need to align the ports correctly before connecting. Otherwise, they won't fit together. Then, connect the power cable. Simply align the arrow marks on the power cable with the corresponding arrows on the controller and plug them in. After that, wrap tape around the connector ports to prevent them from coming loose or causing a power outage during use. Once the ports are wrapped with tape, organize the wires neatly and secure them with new cable ties. Trim off any excess parts of the cable ties. After completing all the above steps, the controller replacement is finished.